yeah, without wasting any time, let's just dive right into Blender. So I'm gonna scale this cube so that it will look like a room. So just press S and then Y, and then scale it a bit on the Y axis, and then press S and X, and then scale it a bit on the X axis like this. And then if you don't understand what I'm saying, so you can look over here and you will see the button I am pressing will be shown over here, so it would be much easier for you guys. So yeah, now I'm gonna move it in the Z axis like this. Now I'm gonna go to edit mode by pressing tab, and then I'm gonna select this face. Alright, and I'm gonna press I to insert it like this, and then I'm gonna move it in the Y axis like this. Now I'm gonna press X and then delete faces. Now I'm gonna press A in edit mode, and then I'm gonna extrude it by pressing E and then S like this. Now move it in the Y axis a bit, and then yeah. So now I'm gonna select this edge and then scale it down just a bit like this. So now I'm gonna just scale it in the Y axis just a bit like this. Now I'm gonna add a camera and then move it over here like this. Now I'm gonna go to camera settings, and then I'm gonna change the focal length to 24, I guess. Yeah, 24 is looking nice. So now I'm gonna change my camera angle like this, I guess. Alright, this is nice. So now save it. Alright, I'm gonna just name it room. Now save blend file. Now I'm gonna go to edit mode and then subdivide it a bunch of time, because now we're gonna be sculpting it a bit so that it would not look very perfectly. So now I'm gonna go to sculpt mode. So if you're not familiar with sculpting, that's okay. I'm not going in very depth. So if you are a beginner in sculpting, you can still follow along. So just go to object mode and then click on this room and then press Ctrl A and apply scaling. Now if you go to sculpt mode, and then you can sculpt around. So just keep the strength low, because we don't want anything to be very overdone. So just press F to increase the size of your brush, and then just keep sculpting like this. Like this. You don't have to do it perfectly, just do it roughly like this. The corner shouldn't be that sharp. Like this over here. Just go to camera view, and then from the camera view you can just sculpt these faces. Now I'm gonna just press T to open this toolbar, and I'm gonna change my brush to smooth. Now I'm gonna just smooth it out. Again, the strength is too much, so just put the strength to 0.2, and now smooth this like this. Alright, now I'm gonna go to object mode and just select this, right click, and then shade smooth. Now this is looking a lot better than before. Now I'm gonna press shift A and I'm gonna add a plane, then go to Z axis and then scale it so that it would match the ground. This is our floor, and then we're gonna add a lot of stuff in this floor like grass, trees, etc. to add more depth. So yeah, now I'm gonna select this plane. I'm gonna go to edit mode, right click, subdivide it bunch of time, and now I'm not gonna sculpt this. I'm just gonna turn on proportional editing, and I'm just gonna click on any vertex and then move it. If you just rotate your scroll wheel, you can see this, the circle size is increasing and increasing. So yeah, just move it here and there like this. And if you want more detailing, just go over here, go to random, just select the middle vertex and then move it above like this. Just move it a bit like this. Now just go back to smooth and then turn off proportional editing, right click, shade smooth. So this is very nice. Alright, now let's add our grass. So just go to any add-on you have, like Sketchfab add-on or Blender Kit add-on, or you can just go to Google and search for CG Trader or Sketchfab, and you can just go in any website, any 3D website you like, and then download these assets from there, the grass asset and the tree asset, or you can download these assets from any add-on you have. Okay, so I'm just gonna search for grass, and now you can see they are not free. So just go over here and click on free first. Now every asset that is free, every grass asset that is free will be shown first. So I'm gonna add random grasses, like I'm gonna add this one, and then I'm gonna add I guess this one, and the last grass I'm gonna add with flowers like grass, and then just search for flowers. Alright, and I guess just click on it and it will be download. So yeah, this is nice. Let me just see them. Alright, okay, not bad at all. So just move it upwards and just delete this. We'll work with this, and yeah, just move them aside, like right over here. So yeah, now I'm gonna add a particle system on this. So yeah, just go to particle system, click on plus, and then click on here. Now I will go to render and then render as an object, and that object would be this. Alright, now you can see they are pretty bad. So just increase the scale a bit, like 0.2 is nice, or maybe 0.15, and then random scale should be 0.5. Alright, now I'm gonna click on advanced so that we have this rotation option. So just enable this and then increase the value of everything, so the rotation would be random. So yeah, this is nice. Just increase the scale a bit, like 0.2. Now I'm gonna duplicate this and then right click to cancel the movement of the plane. Now I'm gonna click on this so that this particle system could be copied, and now I'm gonna just scroll down and then I'm gonna change the object to this, and then I'm gonna change the seed to this, and then the number of these should be 500. Alright, and the scaling should be down like 0.1, I guess. Now they are not straight, so just go over here and then object rotation, click on it and then rotate this in the y-axis 90 degrees. Now you can see they are straight, but I'm gonna just decrease the scaling a bit, like 0.07. Alright, and the number of these should be 700. Alright, now I'm gonna duplicate this the last time and the same thing, just copy it. Now change the instant object to, where is the flower? Move it at the side. Alright, this is the flower. So just select that plane. Which one was that? Plane 1, plane 2, plane 3. Yeah, just click on this eyedropper and then just do it like this. Now just do the same, just click on this and then rotate this in the y-axis 90 degrees, so these are straight. And then I'm gonna press play and click on plane 3. So now I'm gonna change the number of these to 300, and then I'm gonna change the scaling to 0.09. I guess the number of these should be 100, like this. Now this is looking nice. And now I'm gonna just go to over here, and then I'm gonna change the render engine to cycles. Then I'm gonna select GPU compute, and then I will turn on the denoiser, and then max samples I will just decrease this to 100 or maybe 50, like this. Now if I go over here, you can see the scene is pretty dark, so I'm gonna just go over here to world lighting, and then I'm gonna click on this, and then now I will click on sky texture. Now you can see we have a sky. Now I'm gonna change the rotation of the sun so that I could just finalize the lightning. I guess this is nice, just change it a bit. I guess this is nice, and then like this. This is nice. Now I'm gonna press Shift A, and I'm gonna add a cube, and then I'm gonna scale this cube so that the entire scene could fit in it, like this. Just scale it in the Z axis a bit, and then scale it down just a bit. Alright, now you can see our scene is very dark, but no worries, just rotate it in the Z axis so that this corner could not be visible. Yeah, like that. Now I'm gonna go over here and then go to shading. Now I'm gonna click on this cube, and then I'm gonna press new, and I'm gonna just give it a new texture, which would be our fog texture. So just delete the principal BSTF. Now press Shift A and add a principal volume. Now I'm gonna add a principal volume, and then I'm gonna just match the volume to volume, like this. Now you can see it's very nice, but it's too much, so I will just decrease the density to like 0. Like you can see this is 0 fog, but if I increase this, now you can see we have the rays and everything. It is looking really nice. So just I guess 2 value is nice. Now I'm gonna just change the color to a bit yellowish, like this. So this is looking nice. I guess this is better, or this is, I guess this is nice. So now I'm just gonna go to layout, and then I'm gonna just give the texture to this, not this, this. So go over here, and I guess just search for wall or something like that. And oh sorry, not the walls. In the asset we have to search walls in the materials, because I want to give a wall material to it. So let's see which wall is suitable for this scene. I guess let's try this. Alright, this is pretty bad and tiley, so just go to shading, and then where is the, alright, this is the mapping node. So just unplug this from the scaling. Now I'm gonna change the scaling to 0.2. let's just try, or maybe 0.05. oh no, 0.005. Alright, so this is not working. Alright, so yeah, just move it over here, and now if we see, yeah, now it's working. So I guess 0.01 or maybe 1. The 1 is tiny. 0.1 or maybe 0.2. I guess 0.1 is better. So as you can see that this is not the best texture, but you can just change it whatever you want. So yeah, now I'm gonna just change the color of the ground to like dirt. So I'm gonna search for dirt. Alright, just save your project, and now I guess this one or maybe this one. Let's just do this one. So now you can see that this is looking nice. Wait, where is the texture? Just move one of the plane a bit upwards. Now I'm gonna add the texture on this plane. Now you can see it was not in the z-axis, so just move one of the plane in the z-axis and then add the texture, because the texture was not showing because the three planes were overlapping, that's why. So yeah, this is nice. Now let's see. Okay, this is nice. Alright, I have just added the texture on one of the grass. So yeah, just do the same thing but with the plane, not with the grass. So just add the texture to the ground. So yeah, now if I go to render view, now it's looking really nice, but the number of grass are less, so I will just increase that. So just go to particle system and increase the number to 1000, not 100 bro, 1000. And in the plane 1 I'm gonna go and do this 1500. So yeah, now if I go to render view, you can see there are more grass and which is looking nice. So I'm gonna add trees. So just go over here and search for tree, and then you can add, I guess, this one or maybe this one. Yeah, this one, and then you can add any tree you want. I guess that one is nice, so just scale it down like this and then move it over here like this. Now duplicate this and then move it over here. Now rotate this a bit and then move it in the z-axis. Like this. Now I'm gonna go to edit mode and then press L and then select this wood and delete the vertices because the scene is too heavy and the wood is not showing in the render view. So yeah, that's why I'm deleting it. Alright, now if I go to render view, so yeah, now you can see it's really nice. So you can add any object over here, like I'm gonna add a monkey over here. Just go over here and add a monkey right over here and then rotate this like this. Alright, now I'm gonna press Alt H. Now you can see the scene is so dramatic and really nice. Just move this tree, I guess, a bit in the x-axis so that the scene could just look much better. And now you can see it's looking really nice. Now you can add more trees over here because the scene is looking empty over here, so you can add anything you want. The wall texture is not looking nice, so you can just go over here and search for wall and then change the wall texture, or you can just change the grass, anything you want. I guess this tutorial helped you a lot, or maybe just a bit, but yeah, please guys subscribe this channel and then like this video. Now I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.